Hey guys, in this short video I will show you how to replace magazine base pads on CZ pistol magazines. All you need is a punch or any other pointy stabby thing to help you disassemble the magazine. The principle is pretty much the same for all magazines. Use the punch to press on the small protrusion at the bottom of the base pad. As you slide the base pad off, hold the spring in place with your thumb and release it slowly. Otherwise, your spring might launch into orbit like it's on a space mission. CZ has used several different floor plates over the years, so you'll likely encounter one of these. Some of our base pads don't require changing the floor plate, but others do. When that's the case, the replacement floor plate is included in the package. If you need to replace the floor plate, gently press on the original one to pop it off. It should come off fairly easily. You'll most likely be replacing it with one of these. Both types attach in almost the same way. You need to thread the end of the spring through the little hook, going halfway through the first loop. It should look something like this. Now, depending on the type of base pad you have, you might need to screw out a small grub screw first. Then press down on the spring and hold it with your thumb. With your other hand, slide on the base pad. If you have a floor plate with a protrusion, it can be a bit tricky to get it aligned properly, so take your time. For this type of floor plate, simply slide the base pad on and lock it in place like this. Some floor plates don't have a hook on them, but the installation is almost the same. Press down the spring, slide the base pad on and release the floor plate into the grooves to lock it in place. If your base pad had a screw, now's the time to screw it back in. And that's pretty much it. See you next time.